Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Alisa Abdullaeva and I'm here to help you to create harmonious relationship between men and women. And today we're going to talk about consciousness. Because a lot of women want to get married. A lot of women wanted to have children. But when they do get married, it doesn't mean that they become wives. When they have children just by giving birth, it doesn't mean that they become mothers. It's the same thing as if we go outside and we pass by a beautiful garden. And we see in this beautiful garden a lot of flowers and roses. This garden wasn't growing and producing those beautiful roses and flowers on its own. Somebody planted them. Somebody was taking care of them. And now, as we pass by, we enjoy the beauty of those roses. The same way the consciousness works. It's not going to come from above or from out of nowhere. We got to work at it. We got to learn, and we got to grow spiritually and emotionally. Because when we women grow emotionally and spiritually and become happy, we spill that happiness into our husbands, partners, boyfriends, children. And we can be happy only when people around us, loved ones, are happy. And so we have that personal responsibility to ourselves to become this happy person inside. And by the way, the same thing goes to men. Just by getting married and having a child, it doesn't mean that you are a husband and a father. The same thing, you gotta put an effort and protect your family by working hard and giving your woman a chance to become this happy woman and take care of a family. And so, my friends, if you meet a person who is growing emotionally and spiritually, cherish that person. Learn from that person. Be around this kind of people. Find somebody who is willing to help you, who can show you the steps towards harmony, towards love, towards happiness, because we owe that to ourselves. With that said, namaste.